Two charts, the same price, the same bars. One leaves you guessing, the other gives you the answer, in color. Here's the same chart twice. On the left, plain candles, Micron, no indicator. On the right, the exact same chart with Profiterol Power Bars. Watch what the color adds. Then we'll do it again on Intel. It opens with one last push into an early high. On the left, just an up move that stalls. On the right, the green is already tiring, edging toward red. Then the sell-off. On the left, a long red slide and a bounce. Is that the bottom or more pain? On the right, there's no guessing. Deep red through the drop, then blue at the base as the selling loses its grip. Now the move that matters. The left climbs, but with red pullbacks that make you doubt every step. The right just stays green, bar after bar. Strength with conviction and no reason to hesitate. Here is your one cue to pay attention. Price still looks fine on the left. On the right, the green has cooled to blue. The strength is pausing, and the color flagged it first. And when conviction returns, the right turns green again and drives to new highs, while the left was still busy looking uncertain. Same exercise, Intel. Left, plain candles. Right, power bars. The same story told in color. Off the low, the right builds green as strength comes back. The left only shows a choppy climb, with plenty of red along the way. It pauses here. The right cools to a neutral blue while price drifts sideways. A breather, not a breakdown. Then the real run. The right is solid green all the way up, no hesitation. The left has the same red dips that keep a trader doubting the move. At the top, the same tell. The green fades to blue right at the highs. Strength leaving while price still looks strong. The color moved first. The bounce that follows is greener again, but watch the latest bars cool back toward blue. The move is still deciding. Two charts, the same lesson. The plain side keeps you guessing through every red bar. The color side keeps it simple. While it's green, strength is in control. And the moment it fades to blue is the moment to look closer. This video is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. See you in the next educational video.